A horse in northern San Luis Obispo County has tested positive for West Nile virus. It's the county's first case this year. News Channel 3 reporter Christian Hartnett is live in San Luis Obispo tonight with the latest on that. Christian.
Well, and the county is reminding everyone to protect them.
They're kind of scary to look at when they first get the disease, and they are very wobbly, look drunk, particularly in the rear limbs.
Dr. Walt Smith owns the Equine Center in San Luis Obispo, where he cares for horses on a daily basis. He's familiar with West Nile cases in local horses and provides vaccinations year-round.
The best prevention is vaccination and mosquito control. That's the best thing you can do, because there's not a lot we can do once a horse gets the disease. Oh, there's a goldfish. And there's a mosquito fish.
Part of Dr. Walt Smith's mosquito prevention program is keeping goldfish and mosquito fish inside the horse's water trough. That's where mosquitoes tend to breed around horses, and the fish eat the larvae to keep the population from getting out of control. The mosquito population in California is testing positive for West Nile virus at a higher rate than ever before. And the case in San Luis Obispo County is the 10th horse infected in California this year, surpassing the total of 8 from a year ago.
Mosquitoes get West Nile virus from biting birds that are infected with the virus and are just carrying the virus. And then they come along and they bite more birds, horses, and people and spread the virus.
While the 10 horse infections this year are a far cry from the 540 cases reported in California in 2004, Dr. Walt Smith offers a word of caution.
I think that the West Nile scare of 5 or 6 years ago had everyone vaccinating, but then the disease appeared to go away. People weren't hearing about it in the news. And we may be in a vulnerable state right now where the horses aren't as well vaccinated as they ought to be.